Okay, so here it is the setting of the day, where we have just set the inlet pipe, which the inlet pipe will be inside the market. And also here it is our digester, which as you can see, the main digester. Then our outlet is there, the 124 meter cubic biogas expansion chamber, and also you can see the gas outlet pipe. So I'll take you through our inlet, where we have just set our inlet mixing chamber inside the market. So here it is our inlet mixing chamber, and remember this is the waste pipe, which after they have mixed their waste, they will wash the inlet mixing chamber for it to be clean, and then they will release the water to go outside. So here it is our main feeding point. This is the inlet pipe, which as you can see. So remember, this system, we are installing it here in Zanzibar Island, where the system, they will benefit with the gas for cooking, and also they will benefit which their waste will not go waste, which they will benefit with the gas. There is the market in Zanzibar Island, and remember, you can watch our job on our YouTube channel at Pipat Biogas Contractor, and also on our TikTok, Pipat Biogas Limited, and on Facebook page, Pipat Biogas Contractor.